What's wrong, Japan? Oh, China, my economy is in a recession.
How did this happen?
You know how this happened. That fight over the islands in East China caused your government to boycott our goods. You stopped trading with us. Our yen was strong, but because of this the value went down and made our goods less valuable. This was good for exports but not for imports. There's also a high rise in commodity prices as the population ages. Imports have risen in price, but there is a smaller labor pool to help boost the economy. On top of that, environmental crises such as the earthquake and nuclear scare dropped our economy down by 0.5% in 2011. The yen has weakened significantly, decreasing in value by 20% to the US dollar. We have a deficit of 364.9 yen. Our economy shrank by 0.9%. Because you stopped trading with us, our economy suffered. Yours did not because you are larger and have more contacts. Our trade market failed.
We only boycotted your goods because you bought 3 of the islands from private owners, not from our government. This could have been prevented if there had been more diplomatic talks between our countries. Instead, violence broke out and your economy crashed. How are you trying to fix this?
Our Prime Minister Shinzo Abe is putting pressure on our central banks and is trying to boost growth and create jobs. No thanks to your government. The central bank should pursue powerful policy to boost the economy, and the government should do its part as well. Abe also wants to increase the money supply and government spending to help stimulate the economy so that it can begin producing again. There has not been much concrete action by the central bank so far, but markets have reacted strongly in the hope that Abe's new leadership will be turned into action. The Tokyo Stock Exchange is also working to bring up the value of the yen. The Prime Minister also put in a 116.5 billion yen stimulus plan to help boost growth. This will help accelerate money supply growth. The short-run effect is that our economy is being boosted, and in the long run we should be fine.
The recession is not just affecting you, Japan. Many countries such as the United States and Britain have lost a large amount of exports to your country as well as imports. Also, your stocks have gone down greatly. The United States has been hurt greatly by your recession. Japan is buying less US Treasury bonds in a time where the United States are issuing more bonds to finance their own economic stimulus bill. Lower demand of these bills will raise interest rates and depress the US housing market. Do you know how long it will take your economy to get back to normal?
It will take a lot of work, but we should be able to get back on our feet by the April to June quarter. Growth has already been seen. The Japan economy has grown by 8.2% in late 2012. Shuei Abe, the CEO of the Tokyo-based Sparks Group, has predicted that Japan's growth rate will reach the highest level over the next 2 years, and the real force of the reconstruction effort will take place over the next 3 to 5 years. Earnings per share of companies are expected to rise by 38%. This recession helped us learn about the problems in our economy. We are able to remake our economic policy in order to help us more in the future. When our economy finally becomes stable again, this will help to boost other countries' economy, such as the United States and Britain.
Well, good luck, Japan. Sorry about our fight.
It's okay. We'll be back on our feet in no time.